Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today, this is a video that we're doing comparing ladder work versus pole work on this two-story building. We got like 14 windows on the outside of these two sides. Now we put a link to the video where I did the exact same building with laddering it. It took me 4 minutes to ladder the upper 6 and then like 2 minutes to ladder the lower like 8 windows. So now we're going to take a trad pole and we're going to pull the uppers. To pull the uppers, we're going to use a ledger just to get a better closeout. We're going to see approximately how much time, the time difference between laddering and pulling, a relatively shorter building like this two-story. Here we go. So that's a look at pulling this building. So we did this building in probably about 2.5 minutes, less than laddering it. So I could have saved some more time. If the direct sun wasn't on these dark tinted windows, I would have been able to wet 3 windows at a time instead of doing 2 separate wets for the 3. That could have helped me save time if it wasn't as sunny. They were almost drying up, just wetting 2 of them. So that could have saved a little more time. But overall, obviously, treading those second floor windows does save time. Saves climbing up and down the ladder. But it takes a little bit more of a skill to be able to trad these windows, get them to turn out right for best quality. So that's the look. Ladder work versus trad work, same building. Check the link below to see the video of this same building but being laddered. So out here, Window Warriors Forum.